Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw something that's pretty easy, but a lot of people tend to mess up on it, and that is the Nike logo. Now there's lots of different ways to do this and color this, but I'm just going to show you guys a quick and simple way how to do this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now, to start off with this, I'm going to use something like a ruler. Now, you can use anything that's flat or whatever you want to, but the reason I'm using something like this is because the point from here to here on the Nike logo is actually going to be the same height. So I'm going to line up my ruler so that's even on both sides. Now, I'm going to start, we'll go up a little bit, and I'll start right about here. I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's going to come up to here. So I'm just going to curve this down, and then I'm going to bring it up to about here. Now the trick is, what I want to do is I want to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out, it's going to curve around, and then come back up to here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start by going down, and then I'm going to curve it up, and I want it to get really, really skinny all the way up here. And that's pretty much it. That is your Nike logo. Now you can always kind of color this however you want to. Obviously the logo comes in lots of different colors. I might even add a couple little ovals on here just to kind of make it look like it's shiny when I color, but lots of things you can do. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.